Memories of you flashed like a screen, so real. It gone the second I reached in. What felt like forever was only a dream pretending to stay. You held me once, close enough to believe you'd never let go. Your love language was quiet, but I understood it all. I welcomed you like you were mine to keep, smiling through the fear of what I already knew. Some goodbyes don't warn you, they just arrive. The door was open, but you stood still, afraid to come in, afraid to leave. I stepped towards you, slowly, carefully, trying to reach the part of you that kept backing away. Your hands shook, your eyes changed, your voice faded like it was slipping out of your own body. But just when I thought I had you, you disappeared. Silence filled the space you left behind, like it was never meant to be broken. I called your name into the dark again and again. My heart didn't beat, it fell heavy in every vein, like it forgot how to hold itself together. I reached for you, still reaching, even when there was nothing left to touch. Then the world snapped back. I woke up, pillow soaked with reality, window crying with rain, and it hit me. You were never here, just a dream that knew exactly where to hurt me.